The Eliminator. Our robot uses 2 camera sensors as well as hypnotic vibration to notify when the target is hit. The robot consists of an elevator system to retrieve the balls as well as a launcher system to fire them. To launch the ball, we use a gear system for higher torque and larger spin rates. Once the ball is in the elevator, our robot will reverse and spin until the target is found. Then the elevator will rise, causing the launcher motors to activate. The robot will then reverse, resulting in the ball to be fired followed by hypnotic vibration. Our program uses 6 motors as well as a 2-motor drivetrain. The robot will start with an else-if loop, telling the robot when and when not to turn. Once the ball is retrieved, the second part of the code will begin. It begins with camera 2 being activated so the robot can turn towards the target. Once the target is lined up with the robot, the launching process will happen. Manual drive code, used to test elevator and launchers. The Eliminator, created by me, Isaiah, and my partner Andre.